Hey everybody, thanks for joining me again. I wanted to give a quick update. My videos have been a little sporadic the last couple of weeks, and I just wanted to address that and let you guys know that I am still fully in production. I'm still working on everything and checking the gravities of all of the different meads that I have going. But happy news, me and my wife signed on a house yesterday, which means that by the time this posts, we will hopefully be in the process of actually moving everything from this place to our new home. It's going to give me a little bit bigger of an office and a little bit more room to store things and to work. So right now, all of my equipment is packed up. All of my lighting, all of my camera equipment to hold I use my phone, right? Galaxy S10. I use it to film all of this, and the stand and the holder is all packed up, waiting to go to the new place. So by the time this is posted, we will probably already be in the new house, and I will be unpacking and getting everything situated and set up. So I won't have a new video probably for a little while. Be patient with me. I do apologize. But as soon as I'm set up in the new place, I will go ahead and get it all taken care of and get a video out to you guys. I am going to go ahead and rack I've got the spiced pear here in front of me. I'll be racking that for travel purposes. I've also got the 5-gallon Viking's blood. I will be racking that to a carboy to get it prepped for moving it to the next place. I will be putting the cinnamon in the pear. I will be putting, I'll also be putting more pears in the pear. And I will be putting more cherries and more cherry juice in the secondary of the Viking's blood. Everything else is going to get re-racked and I'm going to go ahead and back sweeten everything. I bought some new bungs. I'm going to show them to you here. This is a silicone breathable bung. It's supposed to be give you the ability to do long-term storage without using airlocks. And as you can see, the top flips up, and let's try to get that in the light. You can see there's a hole right there. There's several all around the top. Essentially what this does, you take this, stick it in the carboy and pop it in with like a rubber mallet to make sure it's nice and tight. What this will do is, if it is going to off gas, it'll allow this to burp and let the air out, but it's not going to let anything else in. So I'm going to try one of these and see how they work for long-term aging in the carboys. I do have some bad news. The banana, made a mistake, rookie mistake. In secondary, I decided to put more bananas on it to help the alcohol leach out those flavors and get a really snappy banana flavor in there. But I failed to put it in a bag, and the alcohol actually disintegrated the bananas. Like it was a mush fest in there. It was nasty. I tried to use some straining spoons and some other implements to try to pull that out of there. Was not working at all. Not at all, really. So I went ahead and tried to rack. Unfortunately, what wound up happening is I got the auto siphon in there, pump it to get it going. Started to work a little bit, and then it would clog with banana, and I would have to repump. Unfortunately, what that typically does is it not only does it draw the mead up in there, but it also pulls air around the plug. So I was literally burping or forcing air up through the mead in the secondary. Plus I got a whole ton of banana in there. I mean, it's a good 2 inches of banana on the bottom now that I'm gonna have to again rack. it's not looking too good. I don't think it's going to survive. I had to repump it multiple times, bubbling air and oxygen through the mead. So I really don't think it's going to survive. We'll see. I'll continue to monitor it and see what happens, but I have a feeling I've made some banana vinegar, which is not really going to taste, at all. So other than that, I do have the Piment is looking really good. The capsicum ale is looking amazing, and the McMead is looking really fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and get, I'm going to take some of the packets that I had reserved. You guys remember that I had reserved those from the previous one. I haven't done the McApple yet, but this McMead, I'm going to go ahead and back sweeten it with McDonald's honey. The others are going to get back sweetened with their pure and simple honey, and then I'm going to stick bungs in them. I'm going to transport them over to the new place. I'm going to get everything set up, and hopefully in a couple of weeks I'll have a brand new video with the McApple. Start with the McApple, and we'll see what else we got going on as far as what we want to do. I would love to do a strawberry. I'm looking at a watermelon later on, and I've got some really cool ideas for some specialty stuff, and it's going to be completely experimental. I have no idea how it's going to work out, but it'll be fun doing it. So keep in touch, keep watching, like, subscribe, share with your friends, let them know about it, what we're doing here. Let's just all have some fun. And remember, if you're going to have a drink, drink like a warrior. Drink some meat. Take care, guys. Till next time.